We all get excited about a new tool for our body contouring toolbox, right? And perhaps especially when it comes to that hard-to-treat issue of cellulite. Well, we have a new tool, but it's not really new. We've used it for years. It's vibration therapy. Now, vibration therapy for cellulite, to be specific. The clinical research, and there's a lot of it, shows us time and again just how great vibration therapy is for cellulite. Body contouring professionals add vibration therapy to their fat reduction protocols because it speeds up and optimizes results. But not as many use it for cellulite, and they should. And you should consider it too. You'll see why in this episode as we explore the research that shows us how vibration therapy not only enhances the results of cellulite treatments like cavitation and lipolaser, but it also provides direct cellulite minimizing benefits. So get in the science mode and stay tuned to hear all the ways vibration therapy technology defeats cellulite.
You're listening to the Body Contouring Academy's Proven Profits podcast, where you'll learn simple, actionable strategies from real-world, successful body contouring professionals to help you generate more revenue, realize the profits you want, and create the life you desire. Hi, I'm Shannon.
And I'm Kay.
And we're your hosts of the Proven Profits podcast.
Hi there, healthcare professionals, business owners, body contouring technicians, and beauty professionals. Welcome to everyone. Kay here. Shannon and I want to thank you for being here too. Now, we've discussed this before. Successful body contouring professionals utilize vibration therapy to augment fat reduction treatments, but not nearly as many providers use vibration therapy for cellulite. Well, based on our 20 plus years of med spa clinical experience, plus our knowledge about the ample scientific data, we believe they should. And that includes you. In today's episode, we show you why. We'll explore the science-based evidence demonstrating how vibration therapy not only enhances the results of other cellulite treatments, but it also provides direct cellulite minimizing benefits. We'll discuss the 4 causes of cellulite, vibration therapy technology, and we'll go through a lot of the scientific evidence demonstrating exactly how vibration therapy itself reduces cellulite. And as a bonus, we'll end by giving you steps to implement vibration therapy as part of your cellulite protocols in your business or practice. So first, let's go through a quick review of cellulite. How does cellulite form? What are the 4 causes of cellulite? Because, cellulite reduction can be quite challenging due to the necessity to treat its multiple causations. Now, how is cellulite formed? There is no agreement about exactly in what order it happens, the 4 causes of cellulite, but most medical scientists agree that the changes in the skin happen first. And we think it's likely that it's just such a quick domino effect that it's hard to say what's first, second, third, or fourth. But there is no agreement among the scientific experts yet. So here are the 4 causes of cellulite. The skin cells become malnourished and also damaged. Secondly, those small bands of fibrous tissue, which are comprised of collagen, they connect the skin to the tissue underneath, their collagen, and they become damaged and they become hard and rigid. And the third thing is both the blood circulation and lymphatic circulation slow down. And finally, fourth is the fat cells in that subcutaneous area, our subcutaneous fat cells, well, they begin absorbing excess fluids because of that slower lymphatic and blood circulation. And when they do this, they enlarge. They can enlarge up to 8 times their size. Now let's take a look at how cellulite develops anatomically. In other words, why does it look the way it does? Well, here's the how and here's the why. Okay, the dimples. As the skin weakens and becomes damaged, which we discussed as number 1, well, it can no longer withstand the pull of those fibrous bands, the hardening, collagenous fibrous bands, that connective tissue, which was, remember, the number 2. And so this pulling on the skin creates that, it tugs it down, so it creates that dimpling appearance. Well, what about the bulges? Well, excess fluids are collecting within that interstitial space at subcutaneous area as a result of the slowing of the blood circulation and lymphatic circulation, which we discussed as the third cause, right? So the subcutaneous fat cells absorb the excess fluids, which causes them to swell and enlarge. And when they do this, it creates that bulging in the skin between the dimples. So the bulges and the dimples, these conditions worsen and even become more pronounced as the fibrous bands become increasingly rigid and the skin becomes increasingly weakened as the fat cells continue to expand and as the circulation continues to slow. That's enough, right? That's it for the cellulite review. So let's move on to a quick review of vibration therapy technology. Let's first explain what whole body vibration therapy is. It's a holistic technology that applies mechanical vibration that affect the entire body in many positive ways. Patients simply stand on the vibration machine platform for about a 10-minute session up to a 20-minute session or 10 minutes. It's very flexible. And when they do this, they love getting their, air quote, exercise. Now, this passive exercise technology delivers vibrations that work in 3 ways. The first one is force or gravity. The machine vibrates 3 different ways. It produces a vibrating up and down motion, a vibrating side to side motion, and a vibrating back and forth motion. And each of these vibrations generates a lot of force upon the body. The second way are muscle micro adjustments, because when your patient stands on that vibration machine, every muscle in her body is forced to react in this continuous flow of micro adjustments, contracting, then relaxing, rapidly, repeatedly, and reflexively. There's no pain or discomfort. She's likely not even to be aware that this is occurring. And the third way is the neuromuscular stimulation. The rapid firing of your patient's muscles, well, that causes a neuromuscular response that flows through her entire body. And it leads to multiple beneficial physiological changes. And we're going to be discussing some of those changes next. Now, coming up, the clinical research and the science showing how vibration therapy addresses each of the 4 cellulite conditions or causes, as well as studies showing the efficacy of vibration therapy as a standalone treatment for cellulite. Now listen to just some of the science behind vibration therapy for cellulite, and you'll learn how it minimizes cellulite. It provides multiple benefits that together lead to cellulite reduction. Remember, you need multiple benefits because you have to address multiple causes when it comes to cellulite. So let's start with this. Vibration therapy increases circulation. Remember that slowing of circulation is one of the causes of cellulite. That three-way vibrating motion that we talked about, well, it stimulates circulation, which assists in healing all those damaged skin cells and the tissue in the area. The increased blood flow brings more nutrients, it brings more oxygen to the skin and the underlying tissue. Now, what about the science? Well, studies have shown that vibration therapy increase peripheral blood flow in healthy adults. Another study that looked specifically at blood flow to the skin, well, they concluded that vibration therapy significantly increases blood flow to the skin. So let's move on. What about the other circulatory system, that lymphatic system? Well, vibration therapy increases lymphatic flow. The mechanical vibrations of vibration therapy stimulate lymphatic flow and assists the body to more efficiently eliminate those excess fluids and also toxins and other debris from the body. Now, this action in turn assists in decreasing the size of those fat cells by reducing the amount of fluids the fat cells can absorb. So, what about the science? Well, one particular study looked at adding vibration therapy sessions to patients who were suffering from a condition called lymphedema. They were already receiving lymphatic massage to help assist the lymphatic flow. Now, the researchers found that by adding vibration therapy, it brought about significant improvement in these patients' lymphatic drainage. What about the skin and the fibrous tissue? Remember those causes? Does vibration therapy strengthen the skin and the fibrous tissue? Yes, vibration therapy stimulates collagen production. That oscillating force of vibration therapy, it boosts collagen synthesis. And in turn, this increased collagen synthesis leads to stronger, more elastic skin. That increased collagen production also strengthens that collagenous fibrous tissue. So what about the science? Well, in a study focused on examining how to speed the healing process in injured Achilles tendons, researchers actually discovered something completely surprising and unexpected. They found that vibration therapy stimulated collagen synthesis, and it also brought about an increase in collagen expression. What about that fat component? We've heard all the other causes addressed by vibration therapy. Can it help shrink those fat cells? Yeah, vibration therapy has been shown to increase fat metabolism. The vibrations can lead to fat reduction actually all over the body, and that includes the area affected by the cellulite. So the science for this. Well, there are some studies that have concluded that vibration therapy is, get this, 54% more effective in causing reduction of visceral fat than doing aerobics and strength training. Other published studies have shown vibration therapy sessions actually lead to a reduction in fat mass. Studies have also shown how it works more indirectly, that after doing vibration therapy just for 2 weeks, the participants burned more calories already. Okay, so we heard all 4 causes, right? These studies, they each looked at individual body systems, each of which problems that exist and lead to cellulite. But now let's take a look at some studies that reach the conclusion vibration therapy reduces cellulite. In other words, these researchers evaluated their specific hypothesis that vibration therapy technology is effective for treating cellulite and cellulite reduction. So, a recent study looking at changes in skin temperature, that's what they were evaluating, was skin temperature changed by vibration therapy, found that vibration therapies led to a significant decrease in the grade of cellulite. And another study revealed 26% reduction in cellulite after participants used vibration therapy 2 to 3 times a week after a period of about 6 months. 26%, that's a lot, guys. Other researchers noted that vibration therapy reduces fat tissue. It also enhances blood flow and improves lymphatic drainage. They found this all in one study, and then they concluded saying that vibration therapy plays a large role in diminishing cellulite. Now, between our experience and all of this science, by now you should be convinced. So you'll want to hear what's next, which is our advice on implementing vibration therapy for cellulite in your business. Now, first of all, this kind of knowledge gives you true expertise. But to really become the cellulite expert in your market, you should get certified in vibration therapy and then add it to your cellulite protocols. You may already know that we're faculty at the Body Contouring Academy, but do you know we offer a course on vibration therapy? We do, and it's a great course, quick and to the point, and super affordable. And in it, you'll learn not only how to implement vibration therapy, but also how to profit from vibration therapy. So check it out. You can get the details of our online vibration therapy certification course just by going to today's show notes and clicking on the link to the course. Now for the tips to implement vibration therapy for cellulite in your practice. You know, vibration therapy is a versatile treatment. It's so versatile and easy to add to your cellulite treatment protocols. You can, number 1, augment your results, and number 2, you can extend the results by stretching that time period needed for maintenance treatments. Because cellulite affects 85 to 98% of women over the age of 20. And body contouring providers know cellulite can be stubborn to treat. Now, by adding vibration therapy to your cellulite protocols, it's going to help you deliver better results. Plus, after a series of cellulite treatments from other technologies like cavitation, lipolaser, radiofrequency, vacuum therapy, a maintenance program is a must. That's because results cannot be maintained without continued efforts and treatments, which is costly and also time-consuming for your patients. Whole body vibration therapy provides a great solution. And here's why. Vibration therapy is an affordable add-on to augment your cellulite protocols. And it's also an affordable way to extend time between treatment series while maintaining results. Plus, it's easy for you and easy for your patients. There's no need to block out your treatment room for whole body vibration therapy session, and you can simply allow sessions on a walk-in basis. Vibration therapy sessions are short, just 10 to 20 minutes, and they don't require the privacy of a treatment room or a block in your schedule. And here's an added benefit. By encouraging your patient to come in as often as possible, not only will you get better cellulite results, but the frequency of these visits allows you to build stronger patient relationships. Well, that makes your patients happy and in turn builds your business. Now, there's 3 ways you can use vibration therapy for cellulite in your business. You can use it as 1, a single therapy, 2, to incorporate in your cellulite protocols to enhance results and or to extend results of your cellulite protocols and stretching that time needed for maintenance treatments and between maintenance treatments, which will save your patients time and will save your patients money. So get started now. We're sharing some of our secrets and we're giving you some steps in our walk-in vibration therapy program. So listen up. You can always go back and take notes. So first, you're going to educate your patients about the benefits of the use of vibration therapy, following your non-invasive body contouring treatments, whatever they are, cellulite or fat reduction, even skin tightening. And when you're educating your patients, follow your education with a pretty much insistent invitation to drop by anytime, as often as possible, to use a vibration platform. Remind your patients to drop in for these sessions again when you give them a call the day after a treatment and you're following up. And then remind them again with an email a few days after the treatment if they haven't been coming in. So finally, take advantage of any follow-up appointments and discuss it again. Now, it's pretty straightforward. You'll get the full detailed protocol for this in our vibration therapy course, as well as the consent form and other forms that you need. We share it all with you. So to sum up what we've covered today, we've learned that the cellulite condition arises from multiple systems: skin, fibrous tissue, detox overload, and fat. So, body contouring providers' cellulite treatments, they have to address each of these issues. And we've learned that vibration therapy does. You've heard the science. That's why we recommend using vibration therapy to augment your cellulite treatments by adding it as part of your cellulite protocols and using it after and between treatment series to extend your results. Now, adding vibration therapy to your treatment menu, it's not only going to bring you better results, it's going to save your patients time and money, and it's really going to grow your business. So take a look at our online vibration therapy course and implement vibration therapy. It's worth the time, and you'll recoup your investment so fast. Well, that's it for today. Until next time, beautiful wishes.
If you enjoyed our podcast, we'd really appreciate it if you take a few minutes to leave us a review. And if you'd like to learn more about our courses and resources, you can get all the scoop by visiting our website, bodycontouringacademy.com. That's bodycontouringacademy.com. Thank you so much for listening. As always, have a great rest of your day, and until next time, beautiful wishes.